My SBIG STL camera needs its desiccant canister baked again. I'm getting frosting on the images. Takes about an hour and a half normally for it to clear up, so it's time to get the canister out and into the oven. Alright, using your Allen keys, open the face of the camera up as if you're accessing your filter wheels. Alright, have the camera opened up now, filter wheel off to the side, and you can see the CCD chamber up the front with the glass front and the plug on the side of it. We're going to remove that plug, take the O-ring off the end, and then put a bit of tape temporarily across the chamber to keep any dust out. And while I'm doing this, I've got the oven preheating to 175 degrees Celsius. Alright, we're just going to unscrew the plug out of the camera, and you can see there's an O-ring at the end we need to remove because it will not like being baked. And we're going to put a bit of tape fairly promptly across the hole in the side of the chamber. Alright, with a fair bit of care, you can get the O-ring out there that was in the end of the canister, and then don't forget to put the tape back over the hole. And now into the oven for approximately 2 hours. Alright, I've got the plug on a bit of baking paper, and now I'm just going to pop it into the preheated oven in the middle of the oven. And then wait. Alright, the plug's back out of the oven. Put the O-ring back into it. Let's take the tape off the CCD department. There we go. So when we're threading it on, just make sure you don't pinch the O-ring. It should go on nice and easy. That's it. We'll power it up, chill it down, and see if it freezes.